Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore OneDrive to a previous date and time and recover your OneDrive files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and the restore features we'll be using today. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view all your files, folders, and access various settings. Now, to restore your OneDrive to a previous date and recover your files, navigate to the top part of your dashboard and look for the gear icon. This is your settings menu and contains all the important configuration options for your OneDrive account. Click on the gear icon and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Restore Your OneDrive. This powerful feature allows you to roll back your entire OneDrive to a previous point in time, which is incredibly useful if you've accidentally deleted files, made unwanted changes, or encountered any issues with your stored content. Go ahead and click on Restore Your OneDrive. Once you click this option, you'll be redirected to the OneDrive Restore page. This is where you'll configure exactly how far back you want to restore your files. You'll notice a drop-down menu that gives you several restore point options to choose from. Click on this drop-down and you'll see options like Yesterday, 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, or Custom Date. Each option allows you to restore your OneDrive to that specific point in time, bringing back any files that existed then and removing any changes made after that date. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your needs. If you're looking for files you deleted recently, yesterday, or 1 week ago might be perfect. For older files, or if you need a specific date, the Custom Date option gives you the flexibility to choose exactly when you want to restore from. Once you've selected your preferred restore point from the drop-down menu, click the Restore button. After clicking Restore, OneDrive will begin processing your request and your files will be restored based on the date you selected. Depending on how much data you have, this process might take a few moments, so be patient while the system works through your files and brings everything back to that previous state. And that's it, you've successfully restored your OneDrive to a previous date and recovered your files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.